Now, having a business email is very important if you own any type of business, but many people struggle to set it up the right way, especially when it comes to making sure your emails actually reach the inbox instead of the spam folder. So before we get into the details, let's do a quick test to check our email score. By the way, if you didn't know, this is an easy email testing tool that shows you how well your emails will perform. It checks if your business email is more likely to land in the inbox or get stuck in spam. So as you can see, our score is 9.5, which is great. This means we're in a good position to start sending emails without worrying too much about deliverability issues. Now, first, to create a professional email, the most important step is having a domain name. This is your first priority. Next, setting up your DNS records is key to making sure your emails are sent successfully. And to avoid your emails ending up in spam folders, it's important to know about DKIM, SPF, and PTR records. These also need to be properly configured for your domain. Now, I know this might sound confusing, but no worries, because we've made a complete solution for anyone who wants to create unlimited business emails with a free domain. Plus, all these settings and records are automatically set up for you, so you don't have to do anything technical. So basically, our solution gives you 3 different hosting plans. All of them let you create unlimited business emails with everything set up and pre-configured for you. The key difference is that the free domain option is only available in the Knight and King hosting plans. And what's the most interesting part, the price is really impressive. It's cheap and affordable compared to the features we provide, because not only can you create business emails, but you can also start building your website, where you get great benefits like storage, bandwidth, backups, a free SSL certificate, and many more. Just make sure to check out the details. Now, let's see how to create our first business email step by step. Now, once you order your hosting plan, you can get access to your dashboard area. Here you can see your active services, and first we need to log into the control panel, where you can manage everything you need. Next, go to email accounts. Click Create. Add a username. I'll type contact@thingsfromnothing.com, then generate a new password for your business email. And hit Create. Now let's open our webmail inbox. Now, before we start sending emails, we need to make sure that our email deliverability status is active. If we click on Manage, you can see all the records are valid. This means everything is set and properly configured for our domain. Now, I'll send a test email to check the deliverability score. Perfect. Our score is 10, even though the business email is brand new. Now that we've ensured everything is set up correctly, you'll have better chances of reaching your customers without worrying about deliverability issues, and you can start using your business email to communicate with your clients. But there is one last thing you actually need: a business email signature design. If you want to know how I did that in 3 minutes only, then make sure to watch this video that appears on your screen.